In this lesson, we will explore how to generate goal reports, progress notes, and billing notes in AbleSpace. These features are designed to save time while ensuring accurate documentation. To get started, go to the Reports tab in the sidebar. Here, you will find a variety of report types to choose from. Let's focus on generating a goal report as an example. Begin by searching for and selecting the student or students you want to include in the report. AbleSpace makes this easy with built-in filters, allowing you to refine your search based on specific criteria like grade level, school, or session type. Once you've made your selections, click Generate Report. The system will create goal reports for the selected students. By default, the time range is set to last 7 days. If you need a broader or more specific time frame, you can choose options like last 30 days, last 3 months, or set a custom range for a specific period. You can customize the reports, such as by adding more graphs by clicking Add Graph, which lets you visualize progress for each goal. Multiple graph types ensure that your data is displayed in the most meaningful way. You can also download the report as PDF by clicking on the Print option, or download the report as a doc file if you want to edit it outside of AbleSpace. To generate a progress note, you can simply click on the Add Progress Note button, and a sidebar opens up. Here I have an option to generate with AI, or write a progress note myself. Let's try the AI option. To ensure we get a solid note, there should be sufficient data in the student's stats. With that in place, I will just click Generate with AI, and you will see the app instantly creates a progress note based on the data. If I want to adjust this note, I have options. I can use these handy prompts to add detail, or even translate the note into Spanish. Once it's just right, I will hit Save, and now it's stored securely in the student's profile. Finally, to generate a billing note, I will head over to the Billing tab in my dashboard, and I can see that it expands and gives me 3 subtabs: By Student, By Session, and Bulk Export. The By Student tab gives me a billing note for a student's particular session. All I need to do is select the student, their session, and then copy and paste the billing note into my billing system. The Bulk Export tab gives me the option to generate the billing notes for multiple students and sessions in one go. I can also sign billing notes if needed. With these features, AbleSpace simplifies the process of creating detailed reports, tracking progress, and managing billing. Now that we've covered these essentials, let's move on to the next lesson to explore more ways AbleSpace can streamline your workflow.